Hi my respected friends, today is the video of Mahzooz draw prediction. The draw is drawing on 23rd July 2022. This is the previous result 5, 12, 16, 27, 41. Friends, according to 27 and 41, in Mahzooz past history, I have powerful serial is 3. This is best serial, has great attraction in our upcoming draw. In 3 serials I have 6 numbers that has great chances: 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. These are powerful numbers. According to my research, in 2 or 3 numbers should come in our upcoming draw of Mahzooz. After that, the second best serial is from 1 to 9. I have 5 numbers. Number 1 is 1, 2, 3 and 7. These are 4 numbers from 1 to 9 which has good chances to come. Then from 20 to 29 I have 3 numbers: 24, 25 and 26. One number should come from here. And in last 3 numbers from 40 to 49, number 1 is 43, number 2 is 46 and number 3 is 47. Friends, these are my powerful numbers which has very high chances to come. In previous 42 draws, in past 42 draws, the number 3 not came in last as a digit. So in this draw, this number, last number is 3. This could be best number for your selection as a last number, or 33. Friends, you should select your maximum numbers between 24 to 43. You should select your maximum numbers. 3 or 4 numbers should come between 24 to 43. You should select your maximum numbers: 3 numbers in odd and 2 numbers in even. If you want to play repeated number, then this is the previous result. If you want to play repeated number from previous result, then these 2 numbers, 12 and 41. These 2 numbers has chances, can repeat. If you want to play from previous result, then these 2 numbers has good chances. Okay friends, these are my overall prediction. If you like any number from it, you can choose. If you don't like,